myself feeling alone. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. I've got things to call blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Running by the one who loves me. Come and go. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Buhay pa ba? Buhay pa ba kayo? Sakto-sakto yung rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Lunes pa naman mamaya. Work ulit. Stress ulit. Pero hindi. Itrato nyo yung mga trabaho nyo na love life nyo para excited kayo bumangon ulit every day at makapiling yung jowa nyo pag pupunta kayo ng opisina. Katulad na lang ngayon, ang sarap-sarap na kapiling ko kayo, and I would like to acknowledge the presence of these wonderful people who are in the house tonight. Siyempre gusto ko magpasalamat muna sa producer na si Dextel Trading, Stella Quizon, Ancla. Ayan, nandito din si board member Jane Bautista. Magandang gabi mo. Balilihan Mayor Pureza Chato. Nasaan si Mayor? Magandang gabi mo. Tagbilaran City Mayor Baba Yap and Jane Yap. Ayan, nasaan po